Hello, my dear students. How are you? I am hoping that all of you will be fine. I am also fine, my dear students. As you know, today class is English second paper. So, I will teach you today on right purpose. So, my dear students, before teaching you, I want to know from you many things that is really so much curious to me, my dear students. I know you are passing your time very lazily and you are enjoying online class staying in your home. That's very good, my dear students. Dear students, today I want to know from you on which topic do you like to receive from me. Dear students, it is your wish, so choose the topic. Which topic? Right from verbs. Also, today I will teach you right from verbs. Dear students, this is one of the most significant topics, my dear students. To know about right from verbs in details, firstly, you have to know about the rules of right from verbs. As you know, dear students, you will find in your question paper of right from verbs passage based. So, before teaching you passage based, today I want to inform you on sentence based. If you clear on sentence based right from verb, then that will be very easy to know about the rules of right from verbs and details in right from verbs in passage based. So, dear students, anyway, let's go to our main class. That means let's go to our board. Number 1. We enjoy drama on TV at this point. The students, question number 1, you can see we in the bracket enjoy a drama on TV at this moment. At this moment, I underline. The students, when you find the sentence at this moment, now, at present, gradually, day by day, day to day, and continuously, you have to change it into present continuous tense. So, the students, we are enjoying a drama on TV at this moment. So, I think, my dear student, this is clear. When you find the sentence at this moment, at present, now, day by day, day to day, continuously and gradually, you have to change into present continuous tense. Now, question number 2. We like to play cricket every afternoon. The students, question number 2, you can see, we like to play cricket every afternoon. When you find the sentence, the students, 2. After 2, the verb always dash from. That means present form. Okay. Answer. And full answer. I am writing. We like to play cricket every afternoon. Now, question number 3. There play football or body strong. The students, number 3, question, you see they play football for, in the bracket, keep body strong. The students, when you find in the sentence preposition, after preposition always verb ing form. After preposition always verb ing form. They play football or keeping body fit. Keeping body fit. We already completed, my dear students, 3 example. Let's see example number 4. Number 4. It is high time we enjoy the game. The students, you can see the question. It is high time we enjoy the game. It is high time. I underline. It is high time. When you find the students in the sentence, it is high time, then subject, that means subject form, then verb always past form. The verb 2. Verb always will be verb 2. Now, it is high time we enjoy the game. Number 5. It is time to learn Hindi. The students, question number 5, you can see it is time to learn Hindi. And also you can see Number 4, it is high time, and number 5, it is time. Same, similar sentence, same. Now, so my dear students, when you find it is high time, then 2. After 2, always present form. It is time to learn Hindi. Let's see question number 6. Active start the room to base ever. Question number 6, dear students. A thief entered, in the bracket entered, the room 2 days ago. Now I underline ago. The students, you have to remember when you find in the sentence ago, yesterday, long since, last night, or last plus any noun form, then you have to change it into past form, that means past indefinite. At the entered the room 2 days ago. So my dear students, already we have completed 6 exercises, that means 6 examples of right from verbs. So I think my dear students, our practice is must. If we want to know more and more about these rules, so I think my dear students, today you have learned a great deal of about this sentence that will based on right from verb. So my dear students, I will say today one advice. As you know, all the country is going on a pandemic situation, that means coronavirus, COVID-19. So I will advise you, my dear students, stay in your home, save your life, keeping well and good, and see you next class. Thank you all.